All right, so now we're finishing up the pipe assembly. Now, I did notice at my last um, video that I forgot to chamfer this edge, okay? But even though I have these pieces placed, and this is something that's good to know, okay? Because I'm bringing parts in from another file, I can go back to my parts studio, look at the entity that I'm adding to my assembly and say, you know what, I really need this edge chamfered, okay? And then I have pick both, okay? And I do equal distance and I hit 10, which is what I need. And if I go back into my assembly, it's automatically shifting it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So now what we're going to do is we need to orient these all into the correct direction. So this one I'm going to place on the top. So you have to determine which one you want to use, okay? So select it and drag, okay? It's a little bit, it just wants to know what direction you're going. You don't need to put it, you don't need to drag it there specifically. You can type it in, okay? There's that one, click and done. This one, I need to shift on a different plane. So I'm going to shift this plane. Okay. And I want that one 90 as well. And you need to make sure that you keep this chamfer edge and these indents on the face. Okay. So now we're just going to assemble it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a fasten mate because it's not something that shifts. And from this top one, I'm going to place it in that one. Okay. And am I going to fasten it? Looks great. So then I'm going to say, okay, that's good, fastened. Okay. Then I'm going to fasten, whoops, I'm going to select it, the whole thing. And then I'm going to fasten and I'm going to choose that face again. I want to make sure I'm on the right face, see? And then I'm going to make sure I'm on the right face here. And then it should just fasten it on. Okay. So now I have all the components together in my pipe cube. All right, so I hope that helps, and I hope that is a good end to our session.